It's summertime. Let's all scream for ice cream. Today we're going to learn how to make ice cream in a mason jar. Mason jar because it stands up to the freezer. If you use just a regular jar, it might crack. So we're going to start simply. I'm going to take 1 cup of heavy cream. Mason jars cleverly have it all set up for you. So 1 cup, 8 ounces. Heavy cream. Okay, then we're going to take 1 1/2 tablespoons of sugar, oink, and 1/2, 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla, sticky. Oops, expensive stuff, and a pinch of salt. Then we're going to screw on the lid of the mason jar, hopefully, yes, and then we're going to shake for 5 minutes. Okay, that's 5 minutes. My arms are tired. I'm going to take the jar, put it in the freezer for 3 hours or so. At this point, it should coat the back of the spoon, and if you really feel like it, you can eat it before it's frozen. Won't really be ice cream, but it'll taste good. 3 hours later, do it up any way you want. Cherry on top.